All nasty, ain't it? Brave soul. So he finna hit that shit. Ooh, he brave. Nigga, all it takes is one good jolt. Look at him. Oh, that nigga crazy. He crazy, ain't he? Oh, he is hauling ass through there. Oh, he ain't playing. He done went through there a million times. When we hear that bitch that's camera on, I can feel it coming. I just want to get my 10-pounder on camera, that's all. So nobody can tell me I ain't catch it. Fish this grass a little bit, then we'll pull off and go somewhere else. This is where the big fish be. I figure we go up in the hole by the little inlet, like we always say. You got your other bobber up? Okay. Crazy for a party, you got a bunch of little shit on the screen, little small stuff too. They should be fucking that worm up. So they should be fucking that worm up. I'm trying to get us far enough to where when the wind blows, we gotta. They in there, dude. I'm telling you, they in that fucking grass. I actually ain't showing a lot on the screen no more, actually, though. They in that grass, I'm telling you, boy. All I need is that little second. It don't take long. I don't need a bunch of open spots, just one. Ooh, got him. Did you get it? You ain't going nowhere. I got your ass. Mm-hmm. Yeah. And that's how you do it, Ike. The stuff where you get hung up at is where the fish at. Yep. Basically. There you go. There you go. There you go. There you go. Ooh, he say he ain't can to play. Got you what? I thought you was gonna eat it. I could have put it in my pond. Why did you throw it back? Yeah, you tripping, man. Don't be throwing no fish back. I should have told you. Damn, you messed up the pond already. Nah, I'm keeping everything. They go in the pond, damn it. Ooh, got one. He hit it, he just didn't take it. That's small and bad luck for you, huh? Okay. Uh-huh. Right. I got you. That's where you start like, all right, keepers. That is true. Shit, we only in like 4 foot of water. Oh, that's why that worm real good right now. As soon as you hitting out there, you good to go. I'm looking for the active fish that like to chase shit. Hike on through and go straight up. So, whoa. They tucked in here because there's wind blowing all the bait fish over this way. It's actually a good spot though. You hear me? I want to pull out of here, but I'm like, shit, this is actually a good spot. I'm gonna show you what you do. This is what you do back here, man. You get you something like this. Little way to bobber stop. Pitch and flip, bro. I'm telling you, you got your bobber stop on there. Got your little crawl. You just pitch. Go on down there. We can fish, man. I'm tired of fucking with this damn thing. I gotta go all the way. Hold on. Oh shit. Oh shit. We're finna crash. Oh, I dropped the worm. Be over here because snakes and shit. I do. Right. I'm about the boat, damn it. Way up there. Let me help you. All right, go ahead. Let me get the anchor out for us so we be ready. Throw that wherever we gonna stop at. So you want to go out there, or do you want to just go up against? Right that way. All right. Good idea. We're gonna have to go far out there because the anchor ain't gonna, this wind gonna still blow us a little bit. You know what I'm saying? It'll slow us down. It ain't gonna stop us. Foot. Oh, there you go. You got the right color now. Oh, what that color? Uh-huh. You sure that's all you need? I need one of them bitches right there. I can use the paddle tail, it'll work. Say came and got that mug, huh? That was that black one and green one at the.
Yeah.
Ooh. Fudge. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God, bro. Oh my God. I can't believe you did not take it. Please come back. Oh, that feels so freaking stupid. Oh my God.
Hey.
This is all. Want me to see if I can get it? Yeah. And this is a bunch of hydrilla. That's why we're not moving that fast. It's like somebody been pitching it, flipping it. So the flip, like that's typically what I do. I just don't feel like tying all that shit on right now.